Hello, this is Paul from EMD Automotive Carrying Bar. I just finished installing the tensioner yesterday. Done the tensioner yesterday for the actual the pump because it came late. Didn't come on Friday until yesterday, so that's all done. This part here. What I done, I took the seat out. That's the only way you take that seat out, and that seat sits in here, and fuel pump, I've taken the fuel pump out, and the reason why I took it out is fuel pump sits in there. So I've taken the fuel pump out. I'll show what I've done, because the only way to clean the filter is take the fuel pump apart like that, because the filter sits inside there. Alright, and you can't take it out, it's inside here, it's part of the pump. So most people don't understand, to clean you gotta take the filter. Look at the filter, how dirty it is. See how dirty that is? That's all this particle inside there. It's probably like from day one. If you look closely, see how dirty that is? That the only way to do it is strip down the whole fuel pump like that, and actually clean that, and then inspect it. And once it's clean, and you put it back together into here with the fuel pump, and then you gotta put the pump back together, and then you gotta install it into the car, inside the car, and then go from there. So there's no shortcuts, you know. I just put a expensive high pressure pump for the diesel at the front, so I'm not going to just start the car up and then hope for the best. All right, I've got to make sure there's no other dirt that's going to find its way from here into there, and go to the front of the car and block the actual high pressure pump again. So that's what I've done. So once that comes in, once I finish putting, I'm just gonna clean the filter today, and then after that I'm gonna put it back together, and I'm gonna clean the whole exhaust system here. I'm gonna take the intake out, and use a special cleaner, and there as well, and here and there, and to clean the exhaust up. And after I clean the exhaust up, I'm gonna hook up my scan tool, because I've got the program now to actually do the actual DPF cleaning, because this car had the engine light coming on and off. There was a fault with the EGR valve, locked on the original fault. There was two faults. There was two faults in the system. One was the fuel high pressure too low, and the other one was the actual EGR valve. So the fuel pressure is done, that's fine. But what I've done is the actual EGR, I'm gonna clean it properly, so when the customer takes it, nothing will go wrong again. Alright, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.